Creating a survey in Constant Contact is very easy to do. Today I'm going to show you how to do it. Visit the Constant Contact website and log into your account using your credentials. Once logged in, locate the survey section in the top menu or sidebar navigation. Click on it to access the survey's dashboard. In the survey's dashboard, look for an option to create a new survey. This may be labeled as Create Survey or similar. Click on the option to start creating a new survey. Use Constant Contact Survey Editor to design your survey. Add questions, select question types, and customize the appearance of your survey. Configure your survey settings such as survey title, description, and completion message. You can also enable options like anonymous responses and limiting responses per contact. Click on the Add Questions button to add additional questions to your survey. Customize each question according to your needs. Before publishing your survey, preview it to ensure that everything looks and functions as intended. Test different question types and review the survey flow. Once you're satisfied with the design of your survey, click on the Publish or Save button to make it live. Constant Contact will provide you with a unique URL for your survey, which you can share with your audience. Promote your survey through various channels such as email campaigns, social media, or your website. Encourage recipients to participate and provide feedback. Constant Contact will collect and organize responses to your survey. You can view and analyze survey responses in the survey's dashboard. Use survey analytics to gain insights into your audience's opinions, preferences, and behaviors.